Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZ Jhansi. Students, today we will continue the same topic, that is conditional probability. Here some more questions for you are. My first question is, in a single throw of a die, find the probability of getting even number if a prime number is already occurs. Okay, so this is a question based on conditional probability. How will you identify that this question belongs to conditional probability? So it is mentioned in the last two line that if a prime number is already occurred, then we have to find the probability of getting even number. So this condition is already added in this. If a prime number is occur, then what will be the probability of getting even number? So in this way you will identify that this question is belongs to conditional probability. Now, so how this question will be solved, let's see. So consider two events as A and B. The A event is event of getting even number and B event of getting prime number. How will you identify two events? तो फर्स्ट जो पहला इवेंट होगा उसके आगे लिखा होगा फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग इवन नंबर एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग प्राइम नंबर, इफ लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. सो इन दिस वे वी विल एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई what is given in the question. Now a dice is thrown once. Okay, so total sample space are ns equal to, ns is the symbol of total sample space. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the total outcomes when a die is thrown. So out of total outcome 6. Now probability of A, that is event of getting even number. So 2 4 6, there are 3 even number in a die. So probability of this is 3 by 6. Now probability of getting prime number, that is P of B. So prime number are 2 3 and 5. These three are prime number, so its probability is 3 by 6. Now we have to find the intersection between these two events. What is the common between these two events? So as we see that only 2 is lying common between these two, so only one event is common. So probability of this is 1 by 6. Now we have to find probability of getting even number, that is A. So how can you express this? P of A by B. P of A by B means probability of getting A, event A, when B event is already happened, occurred. ठीक है. So its formula is PA intersection B upon P of B. Right. So put the respective values. Probability of intersection B is 1 by 6 and probability of B is 3 by 6. So 6 and 6 will cancel out and 1 by 3 is our answer. Okay. So now move to next question. And next question is, in a single throw of 2 coin, find the probability of getting 2 heads if coin already shown 1 head and 1 tail. Okay. So here we have two events, getting 2 heads and getting 1 head and 1 tail. So first of all, let A be the event of getting 2 heads and B be the event of getting 1 tail and 1 head. Now total sample space are, if we toss a coin twice, then total sample space are head head, tail tail, head tail, tail head. That is 4. 4 are the total sample space. Now probability of getting A, that is head head. So only one case is there. So its probability is 1 by 4. And B getting 1 tail, 1 head. So head tail or tail head. So 2 events are there. That is 2 by 4 is the probability. Now is there anything common between these two? No. So A intersection B is 0. It means these two events are mutually exclusive. Now we have to find P of A by B. So intersection is 0. So 0 upon something will gives 0. So this is the full and final answer. Okay students, I hope that this video will help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.